Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, Sport Bike Minutes. So we're going to do the review on this vacuum, portable vacuum. Now this, I've already used it. You can see my dog hairs already in it. So like, I'm just doing a review. I tested it out. I think it was between Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Oh, today's Sunday, but Sunday today we're gonna do this. And then we have sand in the back. See if it's gonna be able to pick all this mess up and I should be able to, you know, do good in the car. At home it's perfect. Like I said, it's picked up a lot of my dog hairs, so we're going to test this out. It has eco mode and max. Eco mode you can get at least about 20 minutes, and in max you probably get less than 10 minutes. It is pretty loud, but again, I think I paid 130. It's on discount. They're usually 200. Now I got the one that has like the max accessory. You can get the cheaper one. I think it's like $100, but I got it on Amazon, so you guys should check it out. I put the name in the title and that it's a review because I can't remember the name. Oh, EUFY h30. I just saw the name right there. But h30, like I said, at home it works perfect. We're gonna test it out now, as you can see, but we'll get to it right now. Now, I'm not gonna do this perfect right now with you guys on, you know, doing this video. I'll have to do this off camera, but just showing you guys what the vacuum can do. So like on eco mode, it's strong. We're gonna do max. Like I said, I'm doing this with one hand. But let's say like this piece of cheese right there from Taco Bell, we're gonna use max. See if it'll pick it up. Yep, picked it up. But we're gonna put it back on eco mode so it can last. So I wanna clean this out later on. I'm on my break. The reason why I also got this is because since I'm on house arrest, I can't go to, you know, wash my car or vacuum it. So I got this so I can do this on my break and vacuum up my car. So like there's something there, on. Like, you know, the crevices here, even the crevices here. Picked it all up. Like, you know, even in between this part of the rug. Again, the vacuum can do it. It's just with one hand. This has more attachments also. Just right now, just to do this video, show you guys that the vacuum is worth it for the money. Oh, I hit the button. That was my bad. This attachment also comes off. It probably gives you even better suction. But like I said, with one hand, I'm just trying to make a video for you guys. So like even my dog hairs are getting picked up. So look, to show you guys, here's my dog hair. Probably with the other attachment is probably gonna be better. It's meant for like the dog, like just animal hair. But you guys still kind of get the point. Hit the button again. But anyways, I'll show you guys this. Okay, so the sand. Let's see if this tool can get in between and get that sand. Let's do max. See if it'll. Even with the max, I can't reach it. No, can't reach it. You can get this part. The sand, they're like embedded it into the. Yeah, I gotta like loosen the sand up. actually sitting here for a while. Okay, let's move this attachment. That goes further down. Okay, so now we got the brush. The brush, it can loosen up the sand and pick it up. There we go. Yeah, so with the brush, yeah, way better now with the brush. Now, I don't know if it's still going to be able to get in there. I'm not going to get in there. I gotta figure out, probably have to take this, I'm gonna have to probably take this plastic off to get this out. Just like I said, it's in there pretty, I guess because it got wet. So like, even with scraping it with my finger, you gotta do it very, very hard. So let's see, we'll give it a try to scrape some of it. Yeah, I think it's just that it's embedded into it because it's been wet. So we're not going to blame the vacuum for that. I'll show you guys. Yeah, it's just like rock solid in there. I had like a flathead screwdriver. Yeah. So it's not the vacuum, it's just that they're like super stuck on. So something for like this, use the brush. I got more sand here. Pick that up. We got some dirt here. And again, we're using one hand, so it's not that ideal. Got some more little dust in there. And we're gonna move this attachment down. Let's see if we can just do the rub. So you press this down, it slides down. See if matter of fact, we'll do this different. We'll take this completely off. Hold on. We just slide this completely off. So now, see if that works. Now mind you, I already got a lot of stuff in there. I don't know if you can see it on camera. A lot of sand embedded in that. I don't think it's going to be able to pick it up. And I'm already on max. I mean, it's not perfect. Like, the vacuum's not perfect, but for what it is, for being a portable vacuum, it's good. Because even the other vacuums at the car wash, still couldn't even pick all this up anyway, so it doesn't even matter. And like I said, I got more other attachments that I could have used and see if that would have worked. But anyway, so we're going to do the other side. Now, again, I have it on max. It still has charge. We have some more dirt or rocks. When it's winter time, all that salt is going to get caught in your shoe and go inside the vehicle. So a portable vacuum will keep stuff clean. guys can see. Then on the other side, show you guys all the rocks that are in there. But again, for what it is, we're gonna open this. We're gonna take this out and show you guys. So there goes the dirt. Some of the dirt got back into the car when I opened this up. But you can wash this out. I'm gonna show you guys the filter. See, there goes my dog hairs all caught inside. How dirty it is. So this is washable, has a filter inside. But anyways, wanted to show you guys that, the review of it. You guys saw how it works. Let me know in the comments below if you guys would pick one up. If you liked the video, put a like, put a comment, subscribe to my channel. And again, ride safe, drive safe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.